The drought in DeSoto County intensifying a fire at a landfill. Crews responded just after 1 a.m. and although the flames may be out, there's still a lot of smoke in the area.
NBC2 Samantha Serban is on State Road 70 explaining why it could be a while before this fire is out for good.
From the front of the DeSoto recycling disposal property, you can't see much, but if you go over a few feet, it's hard to miss the smoke. It looks almost like a hot spring, the way the white smoke is rising. Before the sun was even fully up this morning, firefighters responded to this landfill where flames took over the pile. How did it happen? Fire Chief Chad Jorgensen explains.
To some degree, it's kind of part and parcel with what they do. So the heat of decomposition with organic material and the compression of the material over time will spontaneously ignite. And so that's our belief. That's probably what happened.
Pair that with the dryness, and it's a perfect recipe for disaster. According to their website, DeSoto Recycling and Disposal processes construction and demolition debris, yard waste, also tires and furniture. These kinds of fires can be difficult for crews to put out for several reasons.
Typically what's happening on top of that pile could be 50, 60 feet in the air. You do see the top of the fire, but the fire is actually burning in the core of that. And so if you're up there and you're attempting to put water on it, you potentially are standing on a hollow spot, and that can be very dangerous.
Right now, the landfill team has water flowing onto the pile, and the fire department is checking on them sporadically. The top of the landfill looks like the top of a mountain covered in snow. Beneath it, you can somewhat see front-end loaders and bulldozers moving things around to try to put out some of the fire underneath.
We'll get it out.
Chief Jorgensen says he can't remember responding to a fire here in the past few years, so rather than negligence, this was just more of a perfect storm. I'm local in DeSoto County. Samantha Serban, NBC2.